Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Learn Dutch through English by Ifactner.com lesson series. In these lessons, we are learning to speak in Dutch through English. In this lesson, we are going to learn what different days are called in Dutch and how do we say different things related to days. Let's start our lesson. Days are called dagen in Dutch. Day is called dag and days are called dagen. D-A-G-E-N. Dagen. 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 Monday. Maandag. M-A-A-N. Maan. D-A-G. Dag. Maandag. 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 Tuesday is called dinsdag. D-I-N-S-D-A-G. Dinsdag. 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 Wednesday is called woensdag. W-O-E-N-S. Wons. D-A-G. Dag. Woensdag. 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 Thursday is called donderdag. Donderdag. D-O-N-D-E-R. Donder. Dag. D-E-D-A-G. Dag. Donderdag. 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 Friday. Vrijdag. V-R-I-J. Fry, because IJR pronounces Y. Fry. Vrijdag. Dag. Vrijdag. 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 Zaterdag, Saturday and Sunday are usually holidays in Netherlands. Saturday. Zaterdag. Z-A-T-E-R. Zater. Dag. D-A-G. Dag. Zaterdag. 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 Sunday is zondag. Z-O-N. Zon. D-A-G. Dag. Zondag. 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 Today is vandaag. V-A-N. Van. D-A-A-G. Dag. Vandaag. 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 Yesterday is called gisteren. Gisteren. G-A-S-T-E-R. Gister. E-N. Gisteren. 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 Tomorrow is called morgen. M-O-R-G-E-N. Morgen. 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 Day before yesterday is called eergisteren. A-A-R. Eer. G-I-S-T-A-R-A-N. Gisteren. Eergisteren. Day before yesterday. Day after tomorrow is called overmorgen. O-V-A-R. Over. Morgen. M-O-R-G-E-N. Overmorgen. 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 So guys and girls, this was our lesson related to days in Dutch. As a practice session, please watch this video again and repeat all the days after the instructor. If you would like to download the PDF of this presentation, then please go to ifactner.com. If you like this video, then please thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag. Doei.